So something wonderful, and we're meeting Gary. Hello,
Hi.
Gary.
Nice to meet you. Welcome on board.
Thank you. Let's take a look around. So
in the main salon.
Close it so we're not wasting the AC. Wow. Bit of music.
So this is the main salon in the galley, and the master cabin is on this level. So it has
That's convenient. You've had some wine, you don't want to do any steps.
So it's got a small office area linked to the master cabin.
Plus it's close to the galley, another advantage. Plus it has its own Sundeck.
Nice little area for your coffee in the morning.
I can imagine, even in the evening, right? This would be the
Yes, it's a great place. Yeah,
the leeward side, so it would be shaded and protected from wind.
And you're always going to get the breeze coming through.
Oh, so we can actually, well, if we're here, you know, take a look at the water toys and come back. So this is really neat. I really like this layout.
Yeah, it works really well. So it's a great charter platform. Got all the new toys, paddle boards. Got to have the floating island.
I see a house set up for some serious sailing here.
Yes, Paul is a big sailor. He has been sailing pretty much his whole life. The owner loves to sail, and Paul races as well. So
Oh, really? So you do like
Yeah,
regattas
so
and stuff.
got some good sailing in. And,
That's amazing.
Yeah, she actually sails really well.
What would be the speed?
Oh, Paul can tell you that.
All right.
I don't know.
Just it's fine.
It goes quite fast, I believe.
Oh, here. Oh, but yeah. So
Yeah.
lasers, sailing championships. All right. So
Championship last year.
definitely sailing fans. So where would we
So if you go
continue?
that way.
So port and
Okay, so on this side we have forward is a queen and aft is a twin. So this is port forward queen, and starboard forward is a mirror image queen. So the two cabins are the same. And then we have a twin back here. So with the master and the twin, the boat works really well for families. It's a great little family boat.
Have you mentioned if the beds like they?
This one will convert into a king. Yes, yes it does.
So they do. All right. Super. Neat. I see these storage areas. They're very neat. Usually it's always an issue, you know, like on the cats. Where do you put all the stuff? Crossing the Atlantic. How's it going? Hello. My name is Mo.
Nice to meet you, Mo. Paul.
Hello, Captain Paul. I'm making a video just so that you know and you're cool with it.
Yeah, cool.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe Paul can take you up to the FlyBridge and you can.
Oh yeah, come and see my
take
favourite
over
area.
that part of the tour. Oh, sorry. Did you want to see?
If you would just hold on a second. I know they're mirror images. I'd still like to get it because, you know, you're thinking about where you're putting your kids when you're putting your in-laws. So you want to make sure, you know. Different people see different things. For example, I see my wife would be looking at that washing machine and saying, I want this cabin. Is that a dryer as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she would want this cabin.
And this is the crew area back there.
Understood. Cool.
Alrighty, let me show you my favourite area, guys.
So I understand that, Captain Paul, you're a sailor
Yeah.
through and through.
I started sailing at 4 years old.
I see. See some trophies.
Yeah, we had a good little outing at the laser regatta last year. So we went
Oh, even last. Oh, okay, so you're still sailing.
Oh yeah.
I see.
So yeah, the FlyBridge up here on the Leopard 58. It's awesome. Nice big spatials.
It kind of reminds me like Sundeck of like you know, like big motorboats.
It has that feel to it. Very nice big bar area.
I mean, if this was like a Sundeck jacuzzi, it would.
Yeah. Just a little hot tub at the end of the night to dive into would be cool.
Cool. So this is still kind of cool. It's like a huge sunbed.
Yeah, giant sunbed just for lounging, chilling.
Cool.
Nice big grill.
And it's close to the bar and the barbecue. That's a big barbecue. Awesome.
Yeah, no, it's all new refrigeration up here and stuff.
All right.
And yeah, no.
So let me ask you about what makes this boat different. I understand it's the sailing that you really like, you know, are enthusiastic about sailing, and you have the setup so you can, you know, like sail.
Yeah, the owner he paid for a larger mainsail, larger jib as well, big masthead spinnaker and a code 0 as well. So when we're sailing around, you know, easily doing 7 to 8s, 9s, 10s sometimes, lots of boat speed, which is quite nice for such a comfortable catamaran. He spent the money in a good place with, you know, increasing sail area and stuff. So it's just,
I see.
Quite well. It's quite nice, you know. She's quite responsive, but at the same time very safe and very comfortable.
Anything else you feel like you want to mention that makes this boat different from other boats?
The main two things I always think is something wonderful on the FlyBridge, you've got, you know, this one is this big amount of space, and the master cabin itself is really awesome. Just the view that you can get from around the master cabin is really comfortable and nice. The little forward porch area, beautiful for taking your coffee in the morning. That's a really chilled spot. And then afternoon sort of cocktails as well. You get a nice shaded spot. The hard top here as well. You know, you can either have sunshine or be out of the sunshine as well. And then the shades around. You know, even if you do have to find a little bit of rain along the way, then it's, you know, completely dry and stuff in here. So it's
brilliant.
It's really cool.
Brilliant. Thank you for showing me around and.
No problem, mate. It's
yeah.
a pleasure meeting you.
Cool. Thanks.
Cheers.